Okay, students, let's get some homework out. So this is your topic, distributive properties. Okay, so then we just need to simplify the expressions. So think about it. If you remember, distributive property is when you multiply the 3 to 2x and multiply 3 to 7. Um, Same thing, you multiplied negative 12 to 5x and negative 12 to to negative 4. Okay, so try that. Let me show you this one. If we do um, distributive property with this one, then we will be getting 5a times negative 3a plus, again, you will do 5a times 13. So you multiply 5a to both of them. So then you will be getting 5 times 3, 15. Then positive times negative is a negative. Then a times a will be a times a will be a squared. Okay? So it's not 2a, it's not just a, it will be a squared, and then 5 times 13, 65. Okay. We cannot combine these two now because this one has square and this one does not. So you just box your answer. Okay. Same thing you'll be doing in this one. So try that one too. Let's do one of these problems. So again, same thing. You multiply the outside term to the inside ones. So we will be doing x over 3 times 12x plus 2x over 3 times 18. Okay, now multiply the top terms. So you'll be getting 24x squared over 3 plus, then multiply 2 and 18, so 36x over 3. But you can simplify it. 3 will go 8 times in 24, so 8x squared, and then 3 will go 12 times in 36. So that is your final answer for that. Same thing you will be doing in number 6 and 7. Greatest common factors, if you remember, this is how we used to do those. Let's try number 9. So we get all the prime factors of this. So you keep spreading out, keep factoring it out until you just cannot. So if you do 3 times 4, then you can still split your 4. So it will be 3 times 2 times 2. So let's write that down. 2 times 2 times 3. So you factor out your 12. Same thing you do with these. So you do x times x times x, so 5 times. And then there is just one y, so y. Same thing let's do with 32x to the 6y. So let's try 8 times 4, but then you can split this into 2 times 2 times 2, and then you can split this into 2 times. So this will be 2 times 2, so 5 times, okay? And then x to the 6 of the axis, okay? And then 1 of the y. Now, when you spread those out completely, now you just find if you can pair them up. So this two you can pair up with this one, this two you can pair up with this one, but that's it. You cannot pair up these twos with any of the twos on top. And then same thing, this three you cannot pair up here. Now let's combine the x's. So this, then that, keep going. So you can pair up all these x's with that, but then you have one extra, and then you will combine the y with a y. So if you were able to combine, then the greatest common factor will be all these terms. So you will have this two, then this one, then five of these factors, and one of the y. And then you just put it together. So 2 times 2, 4. Now x will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth power, and then 1. So the greatest common factor for that. Same thing you will do with all the rest. So try these. Okay, this is your rate of change. This is the review pretty much from Math 1. This is rate of change is if it's the line given to you, the graph of the line, then this is how you find out. If you remember, we used to do to calculate the rate of change or the slope. Okay, so the rate of change is same as slope. Then we used to do rise over run. So find out what is the rise over run for this. So how many times you are going up and how many times you are going to the right. In this one, you cannot go up. Look how you have to drop down. So find out how many times you are dropping down and how many times you are going to the right. That will be your slope for this one. So find out what number will go on top, what will go at bottom. Okay. Now this one is we used to find out slope as we used to do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Your if it's not y, if it's f of x, then also you can do the same thing. So this is your f of x1, this is your f of x2. So then you will be calculating slope by you will do 68 take away 65 over 26 take away. So basically we use this to calculate that. Same thing you will be doing here. So try it. Uh, okay. Okay, hold on. Let me get back to you.